Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of enhancing your video with captivating snow crystals effects using CapCut PC. Let's take a look at how it's done. To start, navigate to the Effects tab and search for Snow Crystals. Locate the Snow Crystals effect. Preview the effect on your video by clicking on it. Apply the effect by either clicking the plus icon in the bottom right corner or directly dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. Position the effect at the desired time point and adjust its duration to match your video or a specific scene. Now let's customize the effect further. Select the effect layer, go to the right side, and tweak the settings to achieve the desired look. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments. For added impact, consider duplicating and layering multiple effect layers. Each duplicated layer will retain the same effect settings, allowing you to fine-tune them individually. You can also experiment with overlaying additional effects to enhance your video even more. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been informative and inspiring. Thank you for watching.